Riam. Ya bendahara. Yo.
I wanna dance till my legs break. I wanna love till my heart aches. I want the cause of my death to be amazing sex and alive with my last breath.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Where should we run to? We got the road in our hands and we're ready to play. They say we're wasted, but how can we waste it if we're loving every day? Okay, I got the keys to the universe, so stay with me, cause I got the keys, baby. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we done more. I wanna live fast and never look back. That's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wondering where it all go, cause we'll be home before we know. I wanna hear you singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind, we coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright. Dry those eyes, we'll be back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind, so mama, don't stress your mind. We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for the minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright, cause we got the keys to the universe inside our minds. Yeah, we got the keys, baby. Don't wanna wake up one day wishing that we done more. I wanna live fast and never look back. That's what we're here for. Don't wanna wake up one day wondering where it all go. We'll be home before
galak nih.